The area of a right-angled triangle is 12 meters squared. What is the height of the triangle? The area of a triangle is given by the formula 1/2 times the base of the triangle times the height of the triangle. Now this can often be seen written down as A equals half BH, where A is the area, B is the base, and H is the height. The area A, as we can see from the question, is 12 meters squared, so we place here 12. From the diagram we can see that the base B is 6 meters, so 6 is placed here. We complete the formula by writing down here H. 1/2 times 6 is 3. So on this line I can now write down 12 equals 3H. In order to isolate the H, we divide both sides of the equation by 3. And you see the 3's cancel on one side and the 12 divided by 3 is 4. So the next line shows we have 4 equals H, and we can of course represent that as H equals 4, and of course it's 4 meters, which is the height of the triangle.